yesterday and knocked him right out.
Yeah.
How you doing, buddy?
Says I'm good. Says I'm in my cart.
In the cart.
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
This is what we're talking.
Hey, Molson. What do you think? You happy to have puppies over? You happy to have buddies over? What do these guys eat? I'm going with these two ladies for the first time to the Las Vegas Strip. Can't wait. They promised a million lap dances and
And I put Dave's wedding.
took it off already.
Oh.
No, I didn't. That's the wrong hand. Ding dong.
Where are you going?
Picking up chicks at the district.
Going for cruising for chicks, babes in Vegas, man.
Dave's checking out Vegas in style. It's his first time. With our friend Jay and his cool ride.
You girls can get in the back. Later, wish us luck with the ladies.
This is how we roll.
Nothing but the best for you, Mindy.
I know.
That strawberry deal there.
Oh, right there.
After we get our cone or get our ice cream, do we just like go and hold it under the chocolate fountain?
Get it like.
Is it true this comes from the?
Heaven.
Kevin, yes.
Yes. Not from the stripper stage. Astounding in here. And look how they train this horse to be so still. Taco could visit it. You got me in Vegas, Mindy.
Yeah, finally.
Finally.
Yeah.
Man, it's gonna be the best day of our lives.
I told her I want that outfit back by 10.
Mindy, when you said, hey, do you want to go to Vegas? This is what I was thinking of. That guy. That guy is in Vegas. Yikes.
So this was the original Las Vegas Strip.
This
was
the whole Fremont Street.
This is one of the oldest casinos here.
Yes.
Golden Nugget's very famous.
We're gonna go plug it in the Nugget.
Plug it in the Nugget.
Are you winning?
I don't know. It's not telling me.
Well, just look to see how many credits you have left. Jay just killed it though.
Yeah, I went back my $5.
Here she goes. Look at this face. No. Are you betting one at a time? That's how you prolong the agony. You seriously just went.
Oh my God! Did you play 3 or 1?
I played 3.
So you just got $36 from $5.
This is why you come to Vegas, man. $5
Rita's buying.
$5 just turns into 2 beers on the strip.
That's right.